Hey everyone, it's me Megs, and I'm back with another semi-protective style because this is indeed a U-part personality unit. That's just what I call my wigs, okay? And this is by Sunber hair, okay? It gives me a really nice natural look. So let's go ahead and get into the cap construction of this U-part wig. So I really like the cap construction on this. I do enjoy that there is lace in the back, so if I want to throw this up into a bun or a ponytail, I can. There are adjustable straps on each side with an additional loop to keep the straps in place. So I really appreciate that. And it does have 6 combs. It has 3 around the U-part leave out area and 2 on the side and 1 at the nape. And so the combs on the side are fairly close to the hairline, and I'm going to show you guys a trick to get your U-part wigs to look really natural around the hairline. So this is kinky straight hair on this wig, and it is 20 inches. And when I tell you this hair is extremely soft, it didn't shed and it didn't have any like funny smells or anything, and it flat ironed amazing. But it's very important that you make sure you wash and condition your wigs before you wear them because it gives it an overall better look. The ends are nice and smooth, it has a nice flow, and this is actually how the hair air dried on that side. This is the hair unflat ironed, so it's a beautiful natural texture. You can actually leave it like this, do some braid outs and things. So with this U-part wig, I did leave just a little bit out on the sides and in the leave out part because I want as less hair out as possible. And I'm just going to put my hair into a loose ponytail, twist the ends, and then bobby pin those and pin them to my head. I am going to cut this little piece off because you know, we can't wear the U-part wig with that on there, so so we're gonna go ahead and cut those off. And I really like that there is some hair sewn on the inside of the wig, so say if the wind blows, you won't have any exposed tracks. It'll give you a really nice natural look. But this wig was a little too big on that side as far as a little bit too much material, and it was showing around the hairline, so I just cut that off right at the comb right there, and it'll give you a nice more natural look where you won't have that, you know, exposed lace wiggy look if the wind were to blow. Okay, so I would highly suggest you do put some cornrows here to help anchor it a little bit more, but I was only gonna be wearing this for a few hours and come right back home and take it off. So I'm really liking how flat it fits at the top. I'm liking the amount of leave out that I have because I don't want to put too much leave out because, you know, I want my hair to be as protected as possible. I'm just going to do a center part here, and I am loving how flat that is laying. So for my edges, I'm going to put a little bit of Eco Styler just to tame the edges down and to blend everything together. And so far, so good. I'm really loving how this is looking so far. And so I'm just going to brush that in. And I just decided that, you know what, I'm going to do some like wispy baby hairs. But you can keep it baby hairless like that too. But I just decided I want to do a little wispy hair. I was feeling festive. So I will say really quick, this U-part wig is a little bit big on me, so there is some rippling in the back, and I'm thinking I might have to re-sew this unit to make it fit a little bit better. So I just applied some hairspray to my hair and my edge control brush just to tame any flyaways and to make the blend effortless. And I really enjoyed this wig, and I really like that it matches my hair because my hair is pretty dark naturally. But other than the wig being just a little bit too big, I feel like this is a flawless, beautiful wig. This is a multi-purpose wig, and that is the kind of wig that I love the most. You can wear it just all the time. Okay, it's beautiful, very soft, wasn't stiff, and I really enjoyed the density. This is a 150 density U-part wig. Okay, so if you are interested in this wig and want to try it yourself, I have all the hair information down in the description for you to check out, as well as the website. And feel free to stick around and watch more of my hair extension videos here.